Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. Get ready for a super fun lesson about sports and activities. Today, we'll learn 30 exciting words like bowling, running, archery, and more. In part 1, I'll show you all the sports. Then, in part 2, we'll test if you can remember them. Get ready for an awesome adventure into the world of sports and activities. Happy learning! Sports and activities. Part 1. Bowling. Bowling. I roll the bowling ball to knock pins. Bowling. Running. Running. Running makes me feel happy and energized. Running. Fishing. Fishing. Fishing teaches me patience and how to be still and quiet. Fishing. Hiking. Hiking. I wear comfortable shoes when hiking. Hiking. Figure skating. Figure skating. I glide and spin on the ice while figure skating. Figure skating. Shooting. Shooting. I practice shooting at the shooting range. Shooting. Archery. Archery. I learn archery techniques at the archery club. Archery. Climbing. Climbing. I wear a helmet and use ropes for safety while climbing. Climbing. Fencing. Fencing. I hold a sword and wear a mask to play fencing. Fencing. Field hockey. Field hockey. Field hockey is played with a small ball and hockey sticks. Field hockey. Judo. Judo. I learn judo techniques and practice throws and holds. Judo. Discus throw. Discus throw. My friend practices the discus throw on the athletic field. Discus throw. Long jump. Long jump. I can jump really far in the long jump. Long jump. High jump. High jump. My coach teaches me how to do the high jump correctly. High jump. Pole vault. Pole vault. Pole vault requires strength and good technique. Pole vault. Water polo. Water polo. We practice passing and shooting the ball in water polo. Water polo. Hurdles. Hurdles. I clear each hurdle and keep running in the race. Hurdles. Yoga. Yoga. I do yoga to stretch and relax my body. Yoga. Taekwondo. Taekwondo. My dad is a black belt in Taekwondo. Taekwondo. Javelin throw. Javelin throw. I am practicing my javelin throw for the school sports day. Javelin throw. Hammer throw. Hammer throw. The athletes compete in hammer throws at the stadium. Hammer throw. Shot put. Shot put. The coach teaches the team different shot put techniques. Shot put. Pool. Pool. I enjoy playing pool because it requires skill and strategy. Pool. Roller skating. Roller skating. The kids in our neighborhood often go roller skating together. Roller skating. Handball. Handball. We practice our handball skills at the sports center. Handball. Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding requires a balanced diet and regular exercise. Bodybuilding. Polo. Polo. The polo match is played on a large grass field. Polo. Ski jumping. Ski jumping. Ski jumping is popular in countries with heavy snow. Ski jumping. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. I love mountain biking on challenging trails. Mountain biking. Rally driving. Rally driving. Rally driving takes place on various types of surfaces. Rally driving. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Are you ready to test your knowledge of words for different sports and activities? Can you name them all? Okay, let's find out. Bowling. Bowling. Running. Running. Fishing. Fishing. Hiking. Hiking. Figure skating. Figure skating. Shooting. Shooting. Archery. Archery. Climbing. Climbing. Fencing. Fencing. Field hockey. Field hockey. Judo. Judo. Discus throw. discus throw, long jump, long jump, high jump, high jump, pole vault, pole vault, water polo, water polo, hurdles, hurdles, yoga, yoga, taekwondo, taekwondo, javelin throw, javelin throw, hammer throw, hammer throw, shot put, shot put, pool, pool, roller skating, roller skating, handball, handball, bodybuilding, bodybuilding, polo, polo, ski jumping, ski jumping, mountain biking, mountain biking, rally driving, rally driving. Bravo! Fantastic! We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.